A group opposed to President Mnangagwa's controversial 2030 agenda is reportedly planning to disrupt ZANU-PF's annual national conference set to take place in Butare this week. Sarabina Mashukubdanyo Kwachinzi and the Mnangagwa group plans to disrupt Butare conference. Subscribe on the bell icon. Divina Muna open up the Muslim Ayamabdanyo GT. Sources say the anti-Mnangagwa faction, made up of disgruntled senior officials and provincial delegates, intends to embarrass the president by derailing discussions at the conference, which runs from October 13 to 18 at the Mtare Polytechnic Pavilion grounds. The plan is reportedly part of a growing backlash against efforts by Mnangagwa's loyalists to extend his rule beyond the constitutional 2-term limit. Insiders told ZVAITWA that some within the party's structures are mobilizing quietly to resist the so-called 2030 agenda, which they view as unconstitutional and a direct threat to ZANU-PF's internal democracy. There is a serious mood of resistance building up, said one insider. The conference is no longer just a routine gathering, it's a test of loyalty, and some are ready to defy orders from the top. Tensions over the issue spilled into the open last week when ZANU-PF Women's League boss Maibosh Nomona publicly warned against spoilers bent on sabotaging the event. Speaking at a Women's League empowerment program at Chiwetu Training Center in Makoni West constituency, the visibly agitated Politburo member read the riot act to party members in quotes. We have the conference which is coming up in Mutare next week. We don't want people who are destroying our party. Don't destroy your own party, Shimona said. I am ready to suspend people who are spreading falsehoods ahead of the conference. We don't want that, please. He remarks exposed the growing panic within the ruling party as internal divisions threaten to overshadow Mnangagwa's leadership ahead of the conference. Doma developments aripo muri Zimbabwe tiona kuti aiwa zvinyazo kuratidza kuti panapa the Mnangagwa camp iri kucheka kuti aiwa these people vari kukwanisa vari against the 2030 plan, they might derail the progress at the conference. Nagomesiksha medu za fundo enye mutukudipa mzero pechitiko ichi. Subscribe, like, hit on the bell icon.